if you're new, welcome back if you're not. So before we get into everything, I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope that you got everything that you wish for, and I hope that life is great from 2020 and on. So yeah, I also want to thank you guys for 486 subscribers. My goal, as I said in one of these videos, my goal for the end of the year was 300 subscribers, and I have 186 more than that. So yeah, okay, so now that we're done with that, today's video I'm going to be doing another hairstyle video. I'm going to be doing this hairstyle that I've seen a lot of people do, but I've never tried it before, so I'm going to be trying it. But if it comes out good, this is going to be a tutorial, guys. But yeah, I'm going to be trying it. I'm going to be doing the little swoop high bun. I'm going to be trying that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hopefully I know what I'm doing. So I don't think I've ever worn glasses in a video, but I do wear glasses. I just don't like the glare that comes off the glasses from my ring light, so I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, so we're just gonna try this out. So to do this hairstyle, I'm gonna use my brush, obviously, then my eco styler. This is black castor and flaxseed oil. This is the only one that I use. I'm gonna be using a rat tail comb, 3 scrunchies, some bobby pins, this brush, and I left my spray bottle at school, so I have to use a bootleg spray bottle, and then my toothbrush for my edges. So that's how that's gonna go. Let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by parting my hair. I have a natural middle part, so I'm gonna do a side part, which I'm not great at, so we're gonna try that. I think I want to do it on the left side. I know it doesn't have to be perfect, but whatever. If y'all see my video of me doing a side slick bun, y'all know my side part was terrible. So now my scalp is really white. My scalp is really white, like compared to the rest of my body. My scalp is the whitest thing on my body. Oh yeah, that's pretty. But so yeah, I'm gonna put this part in the bun also. I don't know why I put this part in the bun. It was done. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the bun. It's cute already. I would go out like this. No, I wouldn't. Look at my bang, y'all. So like I said, I don't know why I put this in a bun, but we're gonna take this out and we're gonna start doing an actual bun. Don't wear no shoes in my house. So I'm changing this because it's kind of annoying. I look like a unicorn. We're gonna get into this because I actually like doing buns. I used to hate doing buns on my hair, but I like them now. Girl. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's like the hardest part because my hair don't be wanting to cooperate sometimes. So. I definitely think this is as good as it's gonna get for today, because your girl is not a pro at this. Definitely not a pro at this, as you can see. But we tried. Yes, it's giving the girls trial and error. So yes, ma'am. If y'all see me come outside looking like this, aka a clown, mind your business. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone for right now. We're gonna come back and try to fix that. So anyways, we're gonna do our bun, because we love that. Definitely. Oh yeah, definitely. Yes, ma'am. Who is that? I'm not playing. It's 2020. We're not playing no games. But yeah. Okay, don't even mind my swoop because it doesn't look that good. Okay, but anyways, I'm about to go and I'm gonna do my edges. Alright, I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm gonna leave this swoop alone because she's obviously not playing with me at all. And this is her, this is she, this is me. we're gonna pin the bun so that she doesn't move around. Yes ma'am. Oh, no ma'am. And that's it. Oh yeah, yeah, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. A little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah, but this is what she's looking like. If y'all hear that noise, that's my chair, okay? But yeah, this is how I did the little swoop bun. Again, I've never done this hairstyle before, so if you don't like it, then you know where you can stick it. I'm just kidding. If you don't like it, then you know practice makes perfect, so go watch somebody else's video. I'm not no hairstylist. And that really concludes this video. I don't have nothing else for y'all. This is the end of this video. Once again, I'm not a hairstylist, so if you don't like this video, then I don't know what to tell you. This was actually a fun hairstyle to do. It was pretty easy, except for the swoop part. Everything else was easy, but because the swoop took a while and it still do not look perfect, but it's okay. I'm gonna get there. Don't go on me. Yeah, so I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.